Hey everyone, Fergus here from Irish Scent Guy, just giving you the July 2019 Whiffbox unboxing. So my lights are on low at the moment, so I'm just having to do this at a different angle than normal. So we're going to start here. We have our scent with love and use the hashtag happy whiffing. So this page here gives a bit about the box, so let's have a quick read. So we've got, looks like 2 umbrellas and drinks. Okay, so we turn it over. Okay, so this month's Whiffbox celebrates the wonderful world of citrus. Oh, that sounds interesting. Take a tropical tour to see if your nose can identify all of the citrus fragrance notes. Hint, some are more prominent than others. Then discover how the notes complement the scent as a whole. Sweet citrus. In honor of our 15th anniversary, we're including our Thunderstorm Scentsy bar. Close your eyes and you can almost feel the clouds roll in. We invite you to celebrate with us by taking a trip down memory lane with this classic Scentsy fragrance. Love Scentsy. Oh, that's so cool. Yeah, so Thunderstorm used to be a bar available in the catalogue. Now let's have a quick look inside this. Ah, this looks interesting. It looks like they're to make little mini cocktail umbrellas. Aren't they pretty? Nice. Okay, let's get on with the main event and take this paper off. Now I haven't seen inside this box yet, so this is all new to me. Apologies now that I'm doing this one-handed while I hold the camera, so forgive me if it's a little unsteady. Ooh, nice. Okay, this looks like a really packed box. Okay, first off, we have some samples of Amazon Rain laundry liquid. So we actually have 2 of these. Nice. Okay, oh, we have a car bar here. Let's see what fragrance this is. Summer Holiday. Oh, I like this one. Let's see if I can get a bit more light here. Bear with me a second. Okay, we've 3 bars in here, so I know straight away this is Thunderstorm, so it's a lovely blue colour. I'll do a quick sniff review of it in a little bit. Okay, what's this bar? This is Happy Hibiscus, so this is one of the new releases in this catalogue. And we have another bar. So this is Tangerine Fizzy. Oh my god, I love this one. I was actually warming this 2 days ago. This is one of those ones, I don't know how Scentsy do it, but you can actually smell the fizz. It's just like cherry limeade. That's another one where you just smell the fizz. Okay, I know this is going to be next month's scent of the month, so I'm just going to keep this away for a minute. What else do we have here? We have a hand cream in sea salt and avocado. That's a nice scent as well. I think I'm using the laundry whiffs, the washer whiffs and the laundry liquid for sea salt and avocado at the moment, and I have the soap downstairs, so it'd be nice now to have the moisturizer, the hand cream for that. Blue Grotto hand soap. Oh, I love this one. I have this shower gel, or the body wash. Absolutely love this, and I have the pods for the Scentsy Go in Blue Grotto, and it's a very strong scent. I absolutely love this one, so it'll be nice. I have Luna in the bathroom at the moment for my hand soap, so it'll be nice to just change it up this month and put in some Blue Grotto instead. I do have one other Luna, so I'm just gonna take this. Okay, so this is Sunny State of Mind. Okay, so this is going to be a sneak preview of the scent of the month for August 2019. So this sounds like a nice, interesting one. So that's all we have in the box. I'm just going to have a quick open of this and just give a quick review of what I think it smells like. So I have it open here now. So I'll just take a quick sniff. Oh, that's nice. That's oh, I'm getting a fruity smell off it anyway. It kind of smells like sweets. Apologies now if you're hearing some traffic in the background. I have the window open because it's quite warm here in the attic today. Yeah, it smells like kind of fruity sweets. You know, those kind of marshmallowy type fruity sweets. Even almost like a fruit salad. Yeah, that's really nice. I'm looking forward to getting that warmed. So we just quickly go over what was in our box again. So we had our hand soap in Blue Grotto. We had our hand cream in Sea Salt and Avocado. We had our summer holiday car bar. We had our 2 sachets of the laundry liquid. And we had our 3 bars. We had Tangerine Fizzy, we had Happy Hibiscus, and then we had Thunderstorm. What a lovely box. So the Whiff box, if you're not aware, it's like a monthly curated box. It's like a mystery box, so we never know what's going to be in it. Contents may vary ever so slightly throughout the month, just depending on stock levels. And you can get this as like a one-off purchase, or if you wish you could add it to your Scentsy club. You can get that as a 1 month, every 2 months, every 3 months, whichever you want. I personally have it coming every month in my Scentsy club, and one of the benefits there of Scentsy club is you get cheaper shipping. You pay €5 for the shipping instead of the regular 7. So that's an absolutely bargain here just for this Scentsy Whiff box for July 2019. I'm already looking forward to August just to see what's going to come in that box. Last month's box was absolutely fabulous as well. For anybody who loves cleaning products, they had a counter clean, which I'm hoping is a sign that that might be coming in the new catalogue coming in September. Fingers crossed that we'll get counter clean in the catalogue. Again, nothing's guaranteed, but I'm just kind of reading between the lines. Hopefully I'm not like adding 2 and 2 together and getting 60. So there we have it. There's July 2019 Scentsy Whiffbox unboxing. If you want yours, I'll drop a link down below just so you can check it out. Take care, everyone.